Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to upload a script file to a Hemisphere S631 or a 321 receiver. So what I've done is I've connected up to my receiver. I've just got an autonomous position. If you want to know how to set up your receiver to just get an autonomous position, I'll link to a handy dandy video in the top right corner. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to head to the top right corner of my FieldGenius window here, and there is the wrench, screwdriver, and 3 switches. That's going to open up my instrument settings where I'm going to want to select Command Console. And when my Command Console comes up here, I can either manually type in a series of commands into my Command Console, or what I can do is if I click on this Run Script option in the bottom left, I can select a pre-configured one. So I have one here that allows the Hemisphere S631 to broadcast to a Volvo machine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Open, and that's going to load it into my directory here. And if I hit send, what's going to happen is it's going to send all the commands, and you can see here that I get a series of commands on my command window that say things like at GNSS base, at all the radio settings there. And then you can see that once those commands go, they're going to be sending me back commands telling me that everything is good. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you use MicroSurvey's FieldGenius to send a script file to a Hemisphere S631. This also works if you want to use a script file for something like Stormcaster. But if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel or anything you've seen in the surveying space, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.